See? As soon as I get up. And they're not popping the big ones anymore. See, this window's open. They surveil me inside all the time. See, it's silent. It's all silent now. So I'm gonna take it over here, and they're gonna be doing the little ones. They don't do them constant, how they always do. See? They stop them. The one that popped them 2 days ago, he kept playing a siren sound, a cop siren sound. See? They put them in the row. They're like big black cats, because I was riding my bike and then they left a bunch of fireworks in the middle of the street. You see? See? This is non-stop. Look at this.